HighlightWealthtrust Fairport LLC boosted its stake in shares of Amazon.com, Inc. NASDAQ by 18.4% during the first quarter, according to its most recent disclosure with the SEC. The institutional investor owned 5,962 shares of the e-commerce giant stock after buying an additional 926 shares during the period. WealthTrust Fairport LLC's holdings in Amazon.com were worth $5,286,000 as of its most recent SEC filing. A number of other hedge funds and other institutional investors have also recently made changes to their positions in AMZN. Kentucky Retirement Systems purchased a new position in shares of Amazon.com during the fourth quarter valued at $21,461,000. Guard Capital Inc. increased its stake in shares of Amazon.com by 32.7% in the fourth quarter. Guard Capital Inc. now owns 2,131 shares of the e-commerce giant stock valued at $1,598,000 after buying an additional 525 shares in the last quarter. M Holdings Securities Inc. increased its stake in shares of Amazon.com by 71.8% in the fourth quarter. M Holdings Securities Inc. now owns 847 shares of the e-commerce giant stock valued at $635,000 after buying an additional 354 shares in the last quarter. High Point Advisor Group LLC increased its stake in shares of Amazon.com by 33.1% in the fourth quarter. High Point Advisor Group LLC now owns 2,081 shares of the e-commerce giant stock valued at $1,775,000 after buying an additional 518 shares in the last quarter. Finally, Paragon Wealth Management LLC increased its stake in shares of Amazon.com by 31.6% in the fourth quarter. Paragon Wealth Management LLC now owns 7,372 shares of the e-commerce giant stock valued at $6,265,000 after buying an additional 1,770 shares in the last quarter. 61.90% of the stock is owned by institutional investors and hedge funds. Shares of Amazon.com, Inc. NASDAQ traded up 1.1301% during trading on Tuesday, hitting $964.0634. 933,504 shares of the stock traded hands. Amazon.com, Inc. has a 12-month low of $710.10 and a 12-month high of $1,083.31. The firm's 50-day moving average price is $995.48 and its 200-day moving average price is $933.39. The stock has a market cap of $463.12 billion, a P/E ratio of 245.1840 and a beta of 1.48. Amazon.com NASDAQ last announced its quarterly earnings data on Thursday, July 27. The e-commerce giant reported 40 earnings per share for the quarter, missing analysts' consensus estimates of $1.40 by $1. Amazon.com had a net margin of 1.28% and a return on equity of 9.38%. The company had revenue of $37.96 billion for the quarter, compared to the consensus estimate of $37.18 billion. During the same quarter in the previous year, the business earned $1.78 EPS. The company's quarterly revenue was up 24.8% compared to the same quarter last year. Analysts anticipate that Amazon.com, Inc. will post $3.82 EPS for the current year. Copyright violation warning. WealthTrust Fairport LLC increases position in Amazon.com, Inc. AMZN was originally reported by BBNS and is owned by of BBNS. If you are reading this report on another domain, it was stolen and republished in violation of U.S. and international copyright trademark law. The original version of this report can be accessed at http://baseballnewssource.com. Markets. WealthTrust Fairport increases position in Amazon coming camps in 1532235.html. AMZN has been the subject of several analyst reports. Stifel Nicolaus reaffirmed a buy rating and set a $1,025 target price on shares of Amazon.com in a report on Monday, April 24. Instinet upped their target price on Amazon.com from $925 to $975 and gave the company a buy rating in a report on Monday, April 24. Nomura reaffirmed a buy rating and set a $975 target price on shares of Amazon.com in a report on Monday, April 24. MKM Partners reaffirmed a buy rating and set a $995 target price on shares of amzn.com in a report on Tuesday, April 25. Finally, Cantor Fitzgerald reaffirmed the buy rating and set a $970 target price on shares of amazon.com in a report on Friday, April 28. One equities research analyst has rated the stock with a sell rating, 3 have issued a hold rating, 44 have assigned a buy rating, and 2 have issued a strong buy rating to the stock. The company currently has an average rating of buy and a consensus price target of $1,078.80. In other news, insider Brian Olsavsky sold 2,334 shares of the business stock in a transaction dated Tuesday, August 15. The shares were sold at an average price of $988.90, for a total value of $2,308,092.60. Following the completion of the sale, the insider now owns 1,748 shares in the company, valued at approximately $1,728,597.20. The transaction was disclosed in a document filed with the SEC, which is available at the SEC website. Also, VP Shelley Reynolds sold 544 shares of the business stock in a transaction dated Tuesday, August 15. The shares were sold at an average price of $986.52, for a total transaction of $536,666.88. Following the completion of the sale, the vice president now owns 6,533 shares of the company's stock, valued at approximately $6,444,935.16. The disclosure for this sale can be found here. Insiders have sold a total of 12,463 shares of company stock valued at $12,420,346 in the last quarter. 17.70% of the stock is currently owned by company insiders. Amazon.com company profile. Amazon.com, Inc. offers a range of products and services through its websites. The company operates through 3 segments: North America, International, and Amazon Web Services Oz. The North America segment consists of retail sales of consumer products, including from sellers and subscriptions through North America-focused websites, such as www.amazon.com, www.amazon.ca, and www.amazon.com.mx. Receive news ratings for Amazon.com Inc. Daily. Enter your email address below to receive a concise daily summary of the latest news and analysts' ratings for Amazon.com Inc. and related companies with our free daily email newsletter.